sitting, twisting my one dread, thinking about all these nappy heads that need to be fed, and all these things that need to be said, all the leaders that led, all the books that we read. Who got the guns? Who's supplying the lead? Who I'm sleeping with in bed? What needs to be repaired? Damn, I need to come prepared. Cop boost me up, just what I feared. Unusual suspect, judging for my dreads. They wanna buck me in the head, but they sense my royalty. Feel like Rodney King to me, but something in my eyes sparked their curiosity. He's soft spoken, but same time hard looking. Spirit don't seem broken. Can look into his eyes for too long. His glare might get you frozen. Must be African, but a different type of breed. Hard to trace the source of this lion breed. Upgrade a model, yes indeed. Don't smoke weed, can stand and see my people bleed. Got something in my heart that you need. Open up and I'll proceed to feed your brain with the science that I was born with. No need to read. You hold the weapon, kid, but you lack the speed. You're slow, infected with the hate and the greed. Lie, walk like an African, talk like an African, act like an African, feel like an African. If I don't look good, you don't look good. You messing with this African, you wish you could. Hey yo, makes me feel good, like you know it should, like I knew it would. Y'all didn't know that I could flip one whole continent upside up with my classical, unrefined Ashanti rap. Africa, she didn't sleep deep, man, she took a nap. In fact, I'm about to react. By the way, I'm black, meaning you a finger snap, toe tap, hand clap. Something out of Africa, kid, and that's that. Moving out of Babylon before I got trapped. Last time we came soft, kid, we got slapped. Now I'm rolling with the warriors, no need to adapt. Stand a better chance, kid, if I was attacked. Who got my back? I flipped it from being Mr. Nigga to Mr. Thing Bigger. I hate ya, but mostly I love ya. Sunshine, a solar brother power. Who know tradition, science, and culture. Quick to spot a vulture. I got two words, prime and chroma. Rethinking all your thoughts whenever you think of Africa. CNN got you thinking where you at is butter. Roll your ass out, swimming in the gutter. You jumping on planes, performing for Europeans. What up, kid? You can't hang with Africans. Get your mind right, and kid, keep it tight. When Babylon comes tumbling down, rocks throwing out be in sight. You got but one idea, and it's the wrong one. Listen up, kid. Walk like an African, talk like an African, act like an African, feel like an African. If I don't look good, you don't look good. You messing with this African, you wish you could. Walk like an African, talk like an African, act like an African, feel like an African. If I don't look good, you don't look good. You messing with this African, you wish you could. Rockstone.